Hello and welcome to Isaan Flicks. Today, while taking one of my afternoon walks after some recent rain, I started to notice how the hedgerows were flourishing after all the rain and sunshine of late. Then this got me thinking, yes, another headache, but nonetheless, I wondered if people really understood what hedgerows do for our environment and habitats. Hedgerows, of course, act as a barrier at the boundaries of farmers' fields and people's properties, but they do so much more. Have you ever thought about what they actually do for us? Hedgerows, in fact, bring many benefits for farmers, property owners and wildlife. But beyond the benefits they bring for wildlife, hedgerows play an important role on farmland, ensuring soils remain healthy, reducing the impacts of drought and flooding, as water runoffs from fields can mean a huge problem to farmers, as during periods of heavy rain, a deluge can wash fertile farming soil away into the rivers and then on out into the seas. It has been said that 1 inch of soil takes over 500 years to form, so protecting it is very important. Therefore, hedgerows are not just a barrier, a boundary marker, but can prevent valuable soil from being lost. Then hedgerows, made up of not just hedges, shrubs and all types of grasses, but also trees which are deep rooted, helping to keep the soil in place and thus reducing the risk of it being blown away in the dry seasons by the strong winds. Another reason hedgerows are a vital tool in the fight to slow down climate change, inasmuch healthier soils store more carbon. The impact of erosion on unhealthy soils means that they can quickly become a source of carbon dioxide emissions. So by maintaining good root structures and covering the land through hedges and trees, farmers can help develop stronger, more fertile soils. But hedges are not just important for wildlife on farms. In urban and residential areas too, unlike fences and walls, hedges provide a safe habitat for wildlife to nest, breed, hibernate and travel safely, and offer a crucial food source in months of scarcity. Hedgerows also support population of pest predators and provide homes to pollinators adjacent to crops. The pollinators are not just the birds and the bees. Although birds and bees are important pollinators, insects do the bulk of the pollination that affects our daily lives. However, bats, flies, wasps and beetles are also pollinators, as are mosquitoes. Who would have thought about mosquitoes being pollinators? It was in fact determined in 1913 that mosquitoes were pollinators. In fact, many mosquitoes around the world pollinate small flowers that live in the wetter environments. Birds, of course, help fertilise plants in the same way as other pollinators by transferring pollen via their beaks or bills from one flower to another as they flit between plants, feeding on their nectar. Bird pollination mainly occurs in tropical regions, where they help to pollinate a few food crops, including bananas and papayas. So in fact, birds do a lot for us humans. Apart from being easy on the eye, they do assist in the pollination process, helping to ensure we humans have enough food to eat. However, more pollinating insects, birds and other animals are going extinct today than ever before, according to several reports from international conservation forces and agencies. And without immediate action to protect these species, the global food supply is at risk. Therefore, hedgerows not only prevent soil erosion and are homes to pollinators and other wildlife, animals and insects, they also reduce the need of pesticides. Biological control is provided by species of farmland birds and predatory invertebrates like insects, spiders, beetles and worms. These insects, spiders, beetles and worms feed on and therefore reduce the populations of pest species. Furthermore, rich flora in a hedge base will attract a host of predatory and parasitic species able to tackle crop pests. Thereby help sustain pollinator communities that support productive farming. Furthermore, hedgerows, that is the hedges, trees and grasses, can provide animal fodder and wood fuel for cooking. Hedgerows can also reduce the rate of climate change by carbon storage. Thereby, hedges and hedgerows help clean the air we breathe and help us control pollution. So, do you agree hedgerows are important to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and my headache is now gone. But if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button, share the video, and leave me a comment. But better still, subscribe to the channel to make this old man happy. Well, that's it for this video. So until my next video, it is a very goodbye from me. Bye bye.